So I'm audible now?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, you can start doing exercise like this because we are all locked in, and indoor exercise you can do. See the way, the speed and everything, she's raising the leg so well. And we can do little exercise like at home because you are from morning 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock, you are listening to classes. So you have to do all this exercise definitely so that you will stay fit. Okay. Right. So another chair exercise also you can do. Sit-ups you can do, and you can raise your heel like that, turn your neck. All this you can do right now as an indoor exercise. Okay. So now we are almost glued with this TV and other things. But the best thing you can do is when you talk to your friend for half an hour, keep walking. So that is the best exercise you can do now. So we shouldn't be glued always to the cell. See, look at this, he's enjoying on his phone. No communication. So better to interact with people, share your joy and etc. Okay. So the ideal way, I think body weight, you all know how to calculate. So we shouldn't be overweight. 18.5 to 24 is ideal. Okay. So obesity is fourth in the rank, male and female. So we have to be very careful. Tamil Nadu, we are leading. So why we are interested in prevention of obesity? Because all your obesity, you are prone for hypertension, diabetes, so diseases, infertility, everything will come. So you have to live for long time. You are the future generation. So we have to reduce our weight and keep it the ideal weight. Otherwise, we will get into problems. Okay. That is why we are interested in talking about this thing. So coming to the awareness of anemia. So most of us are anemic, especially young girls. You people don't eat properly, vegetables, greens, and other things. All this, they may have heavy periods. So when they are it's very pain, loss of concentration, fatigue, and palpitation. So kindly go and check your hemoglobin. It should be at least 10 grams, not at least 12. It should be 10 grams. Okay. So next thing is the polycystic ovarian disease. We come across so many girls with this. 2.5 women per 1,000 women are usually affected. Okay. So this is nothing but the ovaries, the hormones are uh, producing little abnormally, and the symptoms appear typically the weight gain, unwanted hair, the chin, chest, and pimple, and irregular cycles, Santi cycles. So these are all the symptoms. So 10 to 15% of adolescents, when they are overweight, they have a PCO. Because they are obese, they have some changes in the voice and the facial hair. They may get depressed also. So it is very common when the family history is there, and the twins, invariably they have polycystic ovarian disease. So I'm not making you scared because it has its own long-term problems. They may develop diabetes, hypertension, all that. So you have to be, it is within you. You have to control your weight. If there is a weight reduction, definitely you can restore the cycle, and the exercise is the best treatment. You need not come to us at all, and it will reduce your excess hair and other things. And with that, we may give some drugs like oral pill, so it will restore your uh, uh, bleeding pattern properly. But the main thing is the weight reduction and the diet. So the next thing is the bone health, because I told you the bone health is very important for your future. And adolescent period, both boys and girls have a peak bone mass. That is the time where it reaches maximum. We have 206 bones, right, from femur, a big femur and a small ossicles also. But it is what the unique feature of the bone is, it keeps baking and breaking from birth till adolescence. Okay, that is the unique property of the bone. So the purpose of remodeling is repair. The accumulation of microfractions usually happens even in normal physiological articles. So this is the osteoclast which keeps on breaking, and osteoblast which keeps on making the bone. Okay. So for that, to attain maximum peak bone mass, we need to have calcium and the vitamin D and the protein. Okay. So that is very important. And vitamin D, how we get? We have to expose to sun between 9 to 3 p.m. That is impossible. And even when you go out in the scooter or something like that, we cover everything. And with this corona, also more, we don't get vitamin D at all. So it's better to have a supplement vitamin D daily. Okay. So the calcium is very important. Your requirement, daily requirement of the calcium is 1 gram per body weight. All this milk you can have it, and all the vegetables, all this can have protein, and non-vegetarian also. You have a soya bean and the beans, and all this can have a calcium. So to acquire big bone mass, what you have to do? You have to do some exercise, because this muscular activity generates piezoelectrical current. The muscles are joined to the bones, and this current goes to bone formation and helps in remodeling. So don't be sitting at home and listening always to your class work and other things. I taught you few exercises which can be done even when you attend class now. Because you are at home, you have to do some exercise, move your joints so that your remodeling will become optimum. And this is the age you have to acquire big bone mass. Okay. So when this lockdown is over, you have to get involved in some form of games, right? So it is something like a building brick, and the peak mass is something like a mortar. So that is very important. See, look at this graph. It is the peak in the adolescence, and it gradually goes down, especially rapidly down when the girls become old when compared to male. See, male is little better, but in female it is coming down very badly. That is why all your grandmas are having fractures. Okay. So we have to be little careful about sex also. The unsafe sex, better to stay away. So it may result in STI, transmission of the infection, especially HIV, unexpected pregnancy. Then you become depressed, so many things. So coming to the prevention, the vaccination there, because it is very, very important. Cancer cervix is important. That is a malignancy which occurs in the mouth of the uterus. And one woman dies of cervical cancer every 2 minutes. 85% are from poor countries, from our country like that. 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh new cases, and 67,000 died from it. So in India, it is around new cases, 1 lakh. So it can be preventable, and so we have to prevent. There is a vaccine which can be preventing the cervical cancer, but you have to take time to do it before you get married. For girls, 2 doses, 9 to 15. It can be between 16 to 20 also. Now the vaccination are given to boys also. It is in practice. You have to take HPV vaccine. Not only it prevents cancer cervix, your cancer, that is in men also it prevents cancer of the genital organ. Okay. So another important thing for girls, they have to have a rubella and the hepatitis. Hepatitis for both boys and girls, and the rubella is meant for girls, and they have to get vaccination if they are not vaccinated. Okay. So coming to the social health. So the control of alcohol also is within you. You start like a social drinking, and then what happens? It becomes addicted. So it's better even that thing not to have your social drinking, but it's better to stay away. Suppose if you get addicted, or if you're trying to drink more, stop it gradually. or sometimes it's better to do it instantly, get rid of it so that you won't get addicted. And the coming to social health, see, I told you the health is the physical, mental, and social well-being. That is the health, not only absence of disease. It have to have a social health also. See, when you organize, see, maybe I have not organized. I didn't log in before 2 o'clock. I try to organize. I mean, log in at 2 o'clock. All sorts of problem happen. Okay, if I have logged in at 1:45, definitely I could have set right. See, this is a simple example. You have witnessed it. So you have to organize. Wherever you go, you have to organize your book, your timetable, everything, and you have to make a wise decision. You have to prioritize certain things. And when time comes, you can play with your pet, or you can look at some sceneries or something like that. You must enjoy. You have to enjoy your life also. Right? That is the social well-being. Okay, next is very common thing which come across in our life is the stress. Actually, how we respond to certain action, how we react, how we respond. That is the stress. It is called the stress. So when we don't read properly, we may not be able to take up the exam. That then it becomes a stress. Okay. When we don't get into time, then it becomes a stress. We call it a stress. How we respond to time, actually the stress. So when somebody is depressed, so you have to have this.
சந்தோஷம் சந்தோஷம் வாழ்க்கை சந்தோஷம் என்றால் மனிதற்கு ஏது மனம் புயல் மையம் கொண்ட மழை மண்ணில் உண்டு எந்த தீமை கொள்ளும் சிறு நன்மை உண்டு.
So when something happens, you just forget about it. Suppose something, if you are not able to get the first mark in your exams, this time you leave it. Don't get into this. It is all in your hands. Happiness is within you. You cannot go and buy. So it is for, it maybe next time you can get it. Don't get depressed. The suicide rate of, again, the Tamil Nadu is highest. Suppose one of your friends looks very depressed, not talking to you, and doing it little slow. So you observe that, please inform to your madam or the sir or to her parents. So that is the earliest sign you can catch them. And again, some people have the tendency to do suicide. Why I should live? Something like that, they will be talking. Oh, next class I may not be there. Next year I may not be there. Something like that. When somebody, some of your friends are doing it, please go and inform the parents, the teachers, and other things. Try to help them out. It's very common in adolescent age group. So don't get into a faulty methods to cope up the stress. So this is not the way to cope up the stress. Look at this. It's very sad thing. People are taking a lot of things like that. So this is not the way to cope up the stress. Taking drugs and taking drinks, smoking, antisocial activities, it is very, very dangerous. So the stress, it's very easy to cope up if you plan certain things. So to cope up the stress, what is your problem? Please jot it down. Suppose something worse happened, you take it. So take it, share it with your friends or your parents, and you find out why it has happened. If there is a solution, then try to solution. If you don't find solution, don't go after that. Leave it like that. Take it easy policy is very important nowadays. We have to take it as policy to go out. You have to pay a e-pass, take it easy policy, and we all get all pass. This is the order of life today. Somebody has hurt you, you just forget about it. So this is how the gross thing you can this thing. So you can do all this over time. So if you don't get it in first shot, suppose if you want to do M.Pharm, and if you don't get it, forget it. Either nature, do it. Next time you may get it, or you may get a good job instead of that. So don't take anything into your heart. So try to involve in music therapy, meditation, start doing some little social work. See, you can do some cloth mask and give it to your servant or something like that. Those the beggars are in the this thing road. Some little things you can do. Start doing social work. You will feel happy about it. You will have satisfaction. So something about your mother, I just want to see. I was very much impressed by this video clip. So mother is always nourishing, protective, and empathetic. So we are young, we are gift of nature, but the old woman is work of art. Okay? So there is a transition in women's life. They are in teenage, they are look pretty and prettier when they become pregnant, when they're old, when they have grandchildren, they still become very beautiful. Okay? So there is some changes happen in their life, in their body. The estrogen is very, very important when they are young to protect. It's a protective mechanism the God has given. The nature of the hormone is totally different when they are young. It's called estradiol, and I think we are all familiar with this Bahubali movie. When they are pregnant, it is a different estrogen. When you get married and leave her alone, and when she is at home alone, that estrogen has become very, very weak. That is very low potent. She's alone, so it is called estrone. So this is a normal mechanism. So during menopause, all this is shut down. The ovaries are not producing the estrogen. So see, a lot of changes take place in the body. She may forget small, small things. She will sweat a lot and she will not have proper sleep. She will come into your room and peep in, and then she will go frequency of urination. So many things happen. So her joint pains. So the mother is always taking care of you. She won't tell you. Even if she has a terrible headache, she won't tell you. She will serve you. But the long-term complications. So you have to take care of her. See, this is why I was telling you about the peak bone mass. It will come down drastically in menopause. So this bone become like this, very porous. Okay, and they are prone for arthritis. So cells come out. They have to also do exercise. Heart disease, they are more prone for. Why we are talking about osteoporosis so much? They will become bedridden, or somebody has to take care when there is something in the hand. They cannot do the routine work. So what we should do? You have to advise your parents that they have to also eat properly. Now with the corona and other things, she will try to adjust what is available in the house, and she may not eat it. Most of the mothers are doing it like that. So see that whether she is eating properly, a balanced diet. She must also do some exercise. She not to walk in sitting. She'll be always in the kitchen. Standing is not an exercise. So if you are a girl, teenage girls, and the mother is there, you can start doing skipping together. So small, small exercise, ask them to do it, and ask them to go for screening tests like pap smear, mammogram. And they have to have a supplementation of vitamin D and calcium. This is what I want you to tell your parents. You have to look after, and the father also must take calcium and the vitamin D when they are little old, 50 years. So they have to do exercise. They can do some dancing. I was impressed by this lady, my servant lady, who was in, see, she's dancing very nicely at this age. So in between this corona, you can do this. You put one music, both of you can join and dance it together. So to reach your goal, I told you what you have to do. You are prioritize. Your plan is important so that you can go very close to your goal. So you have to do your PG, you have to get a good job. So something goal, you have to have it so that you have to plan accordingly so that you reach your goal. So I will come back to the same slide. It is health is a state of complete physical, mental, social well-being not merely the absence of disease. So healthy life, you must feel wellness, not free from disease. So there is 10 ways to do it. Think positive, exercise daily, eat healthy, work hard, stay strong, build faith in you that you can do it. Okay? So worry less, read more, be happy, learn to handle the stress effectively. That is very, very important. This is the time you will have a lot of stress. So you have to know how to handle it. I was impressed by this song. So, Tora, Unnal Mudiyum, definitely, if you follow all those things, and you must have a positive attitude that carry on throughout your life, not only now. That is the power of wellness. And that is what he says. Our Rajni also says, one must have a positive attitude. So I will take you virtually to the, so எல்லா சந்தோஷமும் உங்க கையில தான் இருக்கு. So this is a Niagara Falls. Since we're all locked up, I thought I'll take you virtually to the Niagara Falls. So youth need health, intelligence, and modesty. The youth of the today are the leaders of tomorrow. So stay healthy and wish you all a happy International Day. And youth's health is nation's health. And thank you for patient listening.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for the wonderful time. It was indeed a great evening to have you here with us. Thanks for enlightening all our students to cope up, how to cope up stress. Especially this is very essential for them at this corona period. And it is the right point where you pointed to take care of the moms, where every children are failing today. So taking care of the mom is really a concern. I'm also always be talking regarding the mother health only, because as a mother, she normally, as you rightly pointed out, she keeps thinking of their children only. She never thinks of herself. The only soul on earth with unconditional love which nobody can replace. So it's the right time you pointed out to take care of her also. I hope all my students will be consciously present to what you said, and I think it will be taken away to their mind and heart and soul to apply it to their mom's health also. Thank you so much for the wonderful evening with us. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for making a lot of problems in between. Thank you so much for patient listening. Have a great day. Thank you, Dr. Deepa, for giving me an opportunity to share my thoughts. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.